Alright guys.
Hi guys, I'm eating ice cream. Iihi lang si Daddy ha.
Hanggang sa
Now nobody can tell what's real anymore. Like, bro, it looks too real. People are posting clips, and you can't even tell if it's AI or actually real. Now,
Ay, film tayo.
Yeah.
someone committing a crime, you wouldn't even know what to believe. Was it real footage or just Sora 2 doing its thing? You could literally ruin someone's life with a fake clip that looks 100% legit. Courts, news channels, even security footage. Everything could be fake. Subscribe for a tip. Bro, Sora 2 is actually terrifying. Apparently, the normal version wasn't realistic enough, so they decided to make a paid version. Something even scarier and more realistic. The developers got offended when people said they could still tell what's real and what's fake, so they completely upgraded
Akin
the core.
ube.
Then people started saying,
Kumuha ko sa loob.
guess what? Sora 2 removed the watermark. Now nobody can tell what's real anymore. Like, bro, it looks too real. People are posting clips. You can't even tell if it's AI or actually real. Now, just imagine there was a video of someone committing a crime. You wouldn't even know what to believe. Was it real footage or just Sora 2 doing its thing? You could literally ruin someone's life with a fake clip that looks 100% legit. Courts, news channels, even security footage. Everything could be. Hey, subscribe for a tip. Bro, Sora 2 is a... Get ready with me as I...
Hindi tayo pwede maglaro.
Kay Daddy.
Magtatrabaho ko ako.
Lugami.
Pag nagpakabalik ka, mag-tennis ball.
Luggage. Duke. Luggage. I made my handwriting a font. Look. Whoops, maybe it's a little too creepy.
Bisira yata.
Because this is the coolest. I made my handwriting a font. Look. Oops, maybe it's a little too creepy. Because this is the coolest. I made my hand.
Relax lang. Hindi pala ikaw lang gusto ko. Sa palagay ko ay hindi na sa'yo magsasawa. Tayo ay mag-shota pero tawag mo asawa. Pag ikaw kasama na lahat gumagaan. O ikaw
Hi, I'm gonna.
Kahit na nag-date
Hindi mas lang yung kulang ako.
Wow. Wow. Gusto ko lang kumain.
kailangan natin mag-discuss ito.
Tulad ko rin ang mga kalarawan ng sangre na naya. Kapag kami ang
Ay, nilalagyan na ako ng doodle. Kapag mo ako dali.
Ate. Karam ate. Kumuha ka pa yung ram ko ito.
Hindi, lumagay siya ng... Ako na! Ako na!
I'll show you how to make this slime that
Dahil, padahiram ko
Step
siya.
1. Add your gunpowder. I used 2 tablespoons. Then add the same amount of pure glycerin. Stir them together thoroughly.
Yum.
Add water and keep stirring until it reaches a thick consistency. Add citric acid and potassium sorbate. Then give it a stir. Mix in your favorite color. Add activator a little at a time. Look, it's already turning into texture. Take out a plate, put the slime on it, and freeze it in the fridge for 5 hours. I'll show you how to make the slime.
Sa laro, hindi talaga may iwasan mapawisan at maputigan. Pero sa ilan, may new Freeze Liquid with Stay Power Technology. Nagtatanggal ng remote naman siya na walang kusot. May long-lasting fragrance pa. New Freeze Liquid. Tired of underarm gloss noise? There's a serum for that. Oh, it's a done deal. New Dove Deodorant Serum with 3% niacinamide and 10 times collagen. Bye-bye, for even-toned and radiant underarms. Dove. Yes, sir.
Pero kutsara. Buha kutsara mo ang tamad mo. Ayoko, ginagamit ko eh.
Introducing Colgate Plus Popular with hundreds of cooling crystals. One that is still
Oh no.
In 2 minutes.
Classic Toilet at HPP Plus. Nagbabangking ang katawan natin.
Ano?
Dapat iba na ang pagkakas. Concentric Silver Bag. With nutrients adjusted for HPP Plus. Memorize ko ito. Natulog para sa sharp memory. Healthy heart. Strong immunity. At alaga ng bagay katawan. Kaya hindi. Celtic Silver Bag.
Kailangan ng hair? Kaya yan with just a finger comb. Thanks to Palmolive Naturals. With 100% natural aloe vera extract for hair so smooth that you can just finger comb.
Pero,